Miss. You're welcome to Loc Life with Lola Classic. And of course, this is a channel where I'll be documenting my loc journey and how I'm trying to figure it out every step of the way. Pardon my background noise. They're from my neighbors and all that, so the noise might be getting into the way of this video. Firstly, I'll be giving you a backstory on how I finally decided to get locks. If you are not ready to lock your hair, please don't lock your hair, because I have been seeing people locking their hair and taking out their locks. It took me 4 good years before I finally decided I wanted to lock my hair. I'm somebody that likes to express my individuality with my hair, so for me to lock my hair took me a whole lot. I've always liked locks. When I see it on people, it's so beautiful. I've always admired it. I have always wanted it, but the courage to get the locks was just a problem. Coming from a country that I am a Nigerian, and coming from Nigeria, where locks feels like an abomination. When you have locks on in Nigeria, you are tagged as someone that is a rascal, you're a fraud, you're a 419, all this kind of bad, there's a bad tagged name to locks in Nigeria. And that is why a lot of people don't really like getting it. Coupled with the fact that I have piercings. How would my look be? But at one point, I didn't really care anymore. I don't like making my hair. You see that time that I have to sit in the hair salon and my legs will get swollen? I don't just have the stamina. So one day I called my friend, he knows how to lock, and I was like, okay, can you come and lock my hair? Do you know, he came to my house and I was like, I don't want to lock again. I just changed my mind all of a sudden. I still wanted to do ponytails. I still wanted to do braids. I like braids a lot. So it took me a while and I didn't really rush the process. That's why I'm advising you, do not rush the process, so that when you know you want to do it, you want to do it. Fast forward to December of 2023. I called my friend that had locks. I asked him to introduce me to his loctician. He sent me the number. I took my phone. I called. And when I called, I was about to book an appointment. Before you know again, that wave of indecisiveness, are you ready for this, just came on me. And I'm like, okay, I want to go and braid my hair. That same moment, I went to the hair salon and I went to braid my hair. And that is how I did not lock my hair in 2023. And you see, looking back at that decision right now, I am so pained. My locks would have been very long if I have locked it since 2020. Even if I locked it since 2023, it would have been very, very long now. Because looking at my growth process, I'm like, what have I been doing all my life? So fast forward to June of 2024, I was like, it started coming back to me. I want to lock this hair. I don't enjoy, the problem with me is that I don't enjoy sitting in the hair salon, and I love locks. So this time my Instagram explore page was just full with locks, different kind of locks, traditional locks, freeform locks. Okay, all this one I did not know it before. It's as I got into the whole lock community stuff now that I know about freeform locks, traditional locks, the types of lock that we have, So, and I start seeing ladies how they were rocking it. It was not just, people make it look as if it was just one kind of hairstyle you are going to have. But now they're like when you have locks, you can style it in different ways. You can see the way I styled this one. It is so beautiful. And of course, I will still do another video on different styles you can do with your starter locks. And this is my starter locks of just 6 months, and I'm already loving it. So June 2024, I decided that I wanted to lock this hair, and nothing was taking me back. So I told my mom about it. At that point, she decided she wanted to lock her hair. I told my dad, and my dad did not even say no to it. He just said, okay, don't worry, I'll call a loctician for you. I have a friend that locks her hair, and I will tell her to send a loctician to come and lock your hair. Man, as my dad did not even say no to it, who am I to say no? My dad was even my dad doesn't really even have an issue whatever you want to do with your hair. The main thing is he doesn't really like low cuts. But the time I went on low cuts, I hid it from him. I just used to go and cut my hair when I come. You don't have to say anything. So he was like, okay, you want to do locks and stuff like that. So when I got home, he called the loctician. On July 1st, when I finally locked my hair, I did not like I was looking. When you've seen different kind of pictures, you've seen people with pictures, and you just expect that's how you look immediately you lock. I never knew anything about starter face. I never knew about, the starter face is like the ugly face or stuff like that. I never knew. I just didn't like how my head looked with the locks. I really wanted to take them out. But the thing is, I already made the decision, and I was not ready to cut my hair again. So I rather just stick with it. I had a friend that was always telling me it's nice if you see me too, because the friend also had locks. So if you see me too when I started my locks, it was really terrible. Don't worry, you start loving it. Just The first week I packed it into buns. Like, I'm just creative like that. I like to create things. I packed it into bun, and it was really nice, you know. But I was not still confident to rock it outside the house. I was wearing wigs to go out. So I think from the second month I started like getting my confidence, and I started, don't worry, I'll show you pictures of how the growth has been happening. I started enjoying my life with my locks, and this is me right now sitting in front of the camera, loving what I'm doing, you know. And I feel like if I made it 4 years ago, I may have lost my locks, or I'll have cut off my locks. So that's why I'm sharing this with you. If you want to decide to get locks, make sure it's something that you want to do, and it is not influenced by another person's decision or because of your seeing it on someone. Let it be your own decision. And I want to say this again: locks is not just a hairstyle, it's a lifestyle. It becomes your culture. It links you to your roots. And that is it for me, actually. And that's what has been happening. That it is, I am embodying it. And this is part of the embodiment. If you like to watch more videos of me, more content of me about my locks in the starter phase, and let us grow together, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you can know anytime I post a video. And yikes, this is my lock life. Bye for now.